Hi, Ron Boy here with Ward Cedar Log Homes. Today we're going to discuss our window trim. What Ward does differently is we supply a rounded face trim, which another term for it is D3S. What D3S is you're going to have a flat spot on the back, flat spot on the sides, and then a rounded face as shown. And the jam trim for the windows is a 1x4 piece of cedar. And then here's a header trim, and that's a little bit thicker product. We are using a 2x6 cedar for the header trim. And that has the same profile, dress 3 side or D3S. And our door trims are the same. So they'll have a 1x4 jam trim and a 2x6 header piece. And then on the interior doors, the only difference is they're going to have a 2x4 header piece. If you have any questions or want to start playing in your log home, give us a call today at 800-341-1566 or visit our website at www.wardcedarloghomes.com. Thanks for watching.